Hi, 2000 Deals here. Giving a brief demonstration on a Janome 525 mini sewing machine. Very basic machine, and everything appears to be in operational condition. It has 8 stitches, tension control, the foot lever, bobbin compartment, string guide, bobbin loader. On the back side it has the spool holder, your manual control for raising and lowering, power cord, and foot control. That's pretty much everything on the machine. We're just going to give a very brief demonstration of it doing a zigzag stitch. Take into consideration, I am not a sewer, so you're going to get what you get, and hopefully it works as it should. So underneath, down, foot control, alright, like I said, I'm not a sewer. The stitch on both sides turned out fine. Spread it open. They hold very well. So it appears to work really nice. It may need to be serviced. It's been sitting for a while. So if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to give me a shout, and we will try to address them as quickly as possible. And it comes with the manual, so if you have anything you need to know, it should be in there. 2000 Deals out. Thank you.